Hello everyone, this is Gulbahar Khan, Assistant Professor Pharmaceutical Chemistry at Gyanendra Institute of Professional Studies, Dehradun. As we all know that the whole world is suffering from coronavirus and this pandemic has caused much more difficulties and we people all are staying at our home for our safety. So while at our home, we should do some yoga pranayama which can increase our oxygen level, which can boost our immunity and also increases our lungs efficiency. So I am here to tell you some basic yoga pranayama which will help you in increasing your oxygen level and increasing your lungs efficiency. So first of all I am going to tell you is Bhastrika pranayama. So Bhastrika pranayama, you can sit in this position as I am sitting, or you can sit anywhere you are comfortable, like on chair or bed or anywhere you can sit and can do this exercise. So while doing this Bhastrika pranayama, what you have to do is while inhaling, while breathing or inhaling, you have to raise your hands like this, and during exhaling you have to move your hands downwards. Right. So what you have to do is you have to repeat this 15 times and you have to do 3 sets of 15. So with me you can start. So let me tell you the benefits of Bhastrika pranayama. It is very much favorable for our respiratory system as well as for digestive system, and it also drains excessive phlegm which is present in our lungs. It oxygenates the blood. It also increases the vitality of our all organs and the tissues, and it also energizes our body. It also calms our mind. Right. So there are much more benefits of one pranayama. So let's come to the next pranayama, that is Anulom Vilom. For this what you have to do is you have to keep your thumb here like this and you have to inhale from one nostril, right, from this side. Now what you have to do is keep your finger here on the another nostril and exhale from the another side. Again inhale from the same side and exhale from the another side. Repeat it. You need to repeat it at least for 5 to 10 minutes and then wait for few seconds. Let me tell you the benefits of Anulom Vilom. It strengthens our lungs. It keeps our lungs away from the disease. It calms our mind. It also gives relief from mental and physical stress as well. It also improves our concentration and our memory. Now come to the next pranayama, which is Kapalbhati. You have to sit like this, keeping your finger like this, and you have to inhale as much as you can and exhale. You can also keep your hand here to feel the movement of your stomach. Right? So keeping your hand here, you can also speed up your breathing as I am doing it in a medium speed. You need to repeat it at least for 5 to 10 minutes. So the benefits of Kapalbhati is it oxygenates blood, it oxygenates the dead space in our lungs, it also supports weight loss, it also improves our digestion, and there are much more benefits of Kapalbhati. You can search it on Google. Let's come to the next pranayama, which is Bhramari. For Bhramari, you have to keep your thumbs here on your ear, these 2 fingers on your eyes, and these 2 fingers on your upper lip, these 2 fingers on your chin. Now you have to inhale. Exhale with the vibrational sound. Hmm. before opening your eyes, you need to rub your palms like this and keeping your palms on your eyes. Now you can open your eyes. It gives energy to our eyes. So let me tell you the benefits of Brahmi. It improves oxygen level. It also relieves stress and tension from our mind and helps in better sleep. So we can also do this pranayam while going to sleep, as it will lead to a better and healthy sleep. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you will do this yoga pranayam every day at your home to increase your oxygen level, to boost up your immunity, and to keep yourself away from diseases. Thank you everyone for watching this video.